In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download games from Google Chrome Web Store. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser, since the Chrome Web Store is built specifically for it. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store and navigate to the Games category. When you are on the Games page, take a moment to browse through the available selections. You may see different types of games, including simple puzzle games, arcade-style games, and other browser-based entertainment. If you already know the name of the game you want, use the search bar on the left side of the page. After you find a game that looks interesting, click on it to open the Details page. It may include screenshots, a short description, user ratings, and other helpful details. Reviewing this page can help you make sure you are choosing the correct game and that it matches what you are looking for. Once you are ready to install the game, click the Add to Chrome button on the Details page. Chrome will then show a pop-up window. If everything looks fine, click Add Extension or Add App to confirm. Chrome will then begin the installation process automatically. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. After the installation is complete, the game will be added to your browser, and you can start using it based on how that specific game is set up. That covers everything you need to know.